In this tutorial, I'll show you how to train a Jotform AI agent using URLs. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign into your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Agents. Find the AI agent you want to update and click Edit Agent. At the top of the page, open the Train tab, then select Knowledge Base. Choose the link option to add a website as a knowledge source. Paste the full URL of the web page you want your AI agent to learn from. This can be a help center, documentation page, blog, or any other relevant website. If you want your agent to stay up to date as the website changes, enable periodic recrawling and choose how often the page should be checked, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Once everything is set, click Crawl. Jotform will scan the web page and add its content to your AI agent's knowledge base. After the crawl is complete, test your AI agent to make sure it's using the new information correctly. That's how to train a Jotform AI agent using URLs. Thanks for watching.